Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download Hitman 3 on your PC or laptop, step by step. First, you'll need to download Steam, which is the platform that lets you buy, download, and play games. Just go to store.steampowered.com, download the Steam app, and create your free account. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top and type Hitman 3. If it doesn't appear right away, press Enter. Sometimes games are hidden based on your store preferences. Now you should see Hitman 3 listed. Click on it and scroll down until you find the option that says Download Hitman 3 Demo. If you just want to try the game first, you can get the free demo version by clicking Download Demo. If you want the full version, you can also buy it here. There are different editions like the Standard, Deluxe, and more. For now, let's go with the demo version. Click Download, choose whether you want a desktop shortcut or start menu shortcut, and then select the drive or folder where you want the game to install. Once you're done, click Install, and Steam will automatically start downloading Hitman 3. When the installation finishes, go to your library, click Home, and you'll find Hitman 3 listed there. Just click Play, and the game will launch. You're ready to start your mission as Agent 47. And that's it. That's how you download Hitman 3 on your PC or laptop, quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.